Echoes of nothing, patter of raindrops, calmness of streams, stretch of an umbrella, showers of spring, unease of new encounters, chatter of strangers, blossom of friendship, Ahs of Lovers, spark of coal, Sizzle of Burger, tweeting of Songbird, Chirping of Summer, pressure of delivery, breaking of water, cry of a newborn, relief of a mother, howl of trees, rustle of garden, creak of a bench, crispness of autumn, clap of hands, exclamation of progress, praises of pride, shouts of success, squabble of squirrels, chop of timber, crack of ice, bellows of winter, sigh of disappointment, clink of coin, growl of hunger, moan of desperation, shatter of glass, clatter of teeth, yell of threats, call of pleas, shot of a rifle, whiz of a bullet, silence of surrender, mourn of regret, echoes of nothing. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, my work is done. I love making art. If you want to see more of the art that I make, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you will be informed if any new art is made. Be rest assured, I have lots in store. Maybe you're interested in buying the art that I have made. If so, feel free to click on the link in the description box. You will be surprised at the ridiculous prices they're going for. Thanks for your time. I hope it was worth your while. I'll see you at the next video.